Here we have a Monarch lathe. We got it hooked up to 230 volt, 3-phase power, and we're going to show you that it works. First thing we're going to show you is the coolant pump working. As you see, it works, and it is located in the other side of the machine, down here. Okay, now we'll show you the travel, some of the hand travels on the machine here. That's your cross vise here. Okay, and now we're going to go ahead and run the machine and show you that the lathe is running. And here's the low speed.